Hello, welcome to Motor Match Bolton. Today we have this sporty edition in stock, the Volkswagen Golf TDI BlueMotion Tech, with a sleek grey exterior, really enhancing that modernised edge. This 2016 model does come with just less than 67,000 miles in exceptional condition alongside your 2-litre diesel engine. It is the ideal nippy city upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. Packed with plenty of top features, including your automatic headlights for enhanced visibility. You do also have your contrasting 16-inch alloys and parking sensors, alongside your electronically adjustable and heated folding door mirrors for added protection. Moving into your boot area, you will find plenty of space for all your day-to-day items, with an extra storage pocket below for your spare wheel. Moving inside, you will be greeted with a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort all round, with a handy pull-down armrest and central climate vents for further comfort. Stepping into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel with access to your central touch display screen to provide full entertainment all round. You do have various storage in your central console, dividing your two front cloth seats, and once again very comfortable for front travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls, including your adaptive cruise control, keeping you at a safe distance. Of course, you do have your options to navigate around your digital cockpit screen, so you do have your Bluetooth connection display on there alongside your assistance and driving data, including your mileage and fuel consumption, and of course your cruise control will be displayed there as well. Moving across into your central display screen, like stated previously, you do have your Bluetooth connection to make hands-free calls or listen to your preferred audio, or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations, including your DAB, FM and AM, so you will stay fully entertained, especially on those longer, more daunting motorway journeys. This does also come with your app Connect for quick connection as well. Of course, you can keep your vehicle in top check with your car option, including your tyre pressure, so you can ensure the vehicle is safe to drive on any journey. When you do pop the car into reverse, it will activate your parking sensors for assistance getting into those tighter spaces, and it will reduce the chance of any minor bumps to the vehicle. Following this, you do have your main climate dials with your two front heated seat options, so this will keep you and your front travelling passenger toasty warm in those winter months with 3 different temperatures, alongside your air conditioning and heated windscreen. You do have your various hidden power outlets just underneath there to keep any devices fully charged, and access to your hidden cup holders. You do also have various storage below your armrests. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01204 828 618 or inquire online now.